Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we got something exciting topic to discuss, the Apple MacBook Air with the M1 chip. It's been a game changer in the laptop world since it released in 2020. But the big question is it still good to buy in 2023? Well, stick around because we're about to deep dive into it. The Apple M1 chip is a custom-designed system on a chip (SoC) developed by Apple for use in their Mac computers. It offers significant improvements in performance and energy efficiency compared to previous Intel-based processors. The MacBook Air is a popular line of ultra-thin and lightweight laptops produced by Apple. In November 2020, Apple announced a new MacBook Air model that features M1 chip. This new MacBook Air is known for its sleek design, Retina display, and fanless design, which contributes into quiet operation and extended battery life. Key features and characteristics of Apple M1 chip include ARM-based architecture. The M1 chip is built on ARM-based architecture similar to the processors used in iPhones and iPads. This architecture offers improved power efficiency and performance for laptops and desktops. Performance. The M1 chip offers remarkable performance improvement over the previous Intel-based MacBook Air models. It features an 8-core CPU, 4 high-performance and 4 high-efficiency cores, and 8-core GPU delivering impressive processing power for a wide range of tasks. It can handle demanding applications including photo and video editing without breaking a sweat. The MacBook Air with M1 performs exceptionally well in both single-core and multi-core tasks, making it one of the fastest ultrabooks on the market. Battery life. In one M1 chip, power efficiency translates significantly improved battery life. Users can expect all-day battery performance, often exceeding 10 hours of real-world usage. This extended battery life is one of the most compelling features for the users who value portability and on-the-go productivity. Design and display. The MacBook Air maintains a sleek and ultra-portable design with a Retina display offering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The laptop fanless design made possible by M1 efficiency ensures silent operation even under heavy workload. Compatibility. The transition from Intel to Apple Silicon may raise concern about software compatibility. However, Apple Rosetta 2 technology allows most exciting and existing Mac OS applications to run seamlessly on the M1 chip with excellent performance. So native M1 optimized apps benefit from the chip's architecture, offering even better performance. Silent operation. Because of its efficiency, M1-powered Macs often operate silently with no need to loud fans under regular workloads. It's worth noting that Apple transition to using the custom-designed M1 chips in Mac computers is the part of broader strategy to have more control over the hardware and software integration, which can lead to better performance and user experiences. Price and value. The MacBook Air with the M1 chip provides excellent value for the performance and features it offers. It's competitively priced compared to other premium ultrabook with similar capabilities. Unified memory architecture. The M1 chip features a unified memory architecture where the CPU, GPU and other components share the same memory pool. This can lead to improved performance and efficiency. Power efficiency. One of the standout features of the M1 chip is power efficiency. Macs with the M1 chip have longer battery life compared to their Intel counterparts and generate less heat. Look at the difference between Apple M1 and Apple MacBook Air M2. So performance. The new MacBook Air M2 contains the Apple M2 chip, which provides a high performance compared to the MacBook Air M1, as it confirmed on the Geekbench 5.4, which measures overall performance. The MacBook Air M2 scored 8.9 on the multi-core portion of the test. On the Geekbench 5.3, the MacBook Air M1 hit 7.5 on multi-core, which is 17% difference. It is also notified that the new MacBook Air M2 took 7 minutes and 52 seconds to complete the task, while the previous Air M1 needed 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Not only the new MacBook Air scored 821 on the budget bench for the Adobe Photoshop, whereas the Air M1 clocked a score 653. On the Blackmagic Disk speed test, the new Air 1TB SSD on the review unit averaged 2.8 megabit per second for the reads and 2.42 for writes. The 1TB SSD on the MacBook Air M1 tested hit a speed 2.6 for the reads and 2.8 for writes. So design. The MacBook Air M2 can seen an ultra-thin and ultra-light laptop which is 0.44 thin and is lid open. It's stated that MacBook Air M2 is 20% smaller than the previous MacBook Air M1. Its 2.7-pound aluminum chassis balance, durability and lightweight, where the MacBook Air M1 has the weight-sharp machine aluminum chassis that line had long been known for measures 11.9, 8.4 and 0.6 inches and the weight 2.8 pounds. Graphics. MacBook Air M2 contains 10-core GPU, not the standard 8-core CPU, on the 1199 model. Though it has bump and GPU power, the MacBook Air M2 is not suitable as a gaming machine. This scenario is also similar with the MacBook Air M1. So display. The MacBook Air M2 has a bright and colorful 13.6-inch Retina panel. The Air M2 averaged 489 nits of the brightness and peaked at the 495 nits with the IGR content. It also registered 107% of RGB color, Gemford 75.9 for the more demanding DCI-P3 color space, whereas the MacBook Air M1 featured 13.3-inch pixel Retina display. According to the colorimeter test, the MacBook Air M1 produced 114% of sRGB spectrum and can produce the 365 units of brightness. The price. Apple MacBook Air M2 has a starting price stated as $1,199, where MacBook Air M1 has a starting cost for $999. It can be seen MacBook Air M2 cost more than MacBook Air M1, as mentioned by many industrial professionals, due to the new design, updated components such as Apple and too cheap. Here are some factors to consider when you're deciding if Apple MacBook Air with the M1 chip is still good to buy in 2023. Performance needs. Consider your computing needs. If primarily use your laptop for web browsing, productivity tasks, media consumption, and light content creation, the MacBook Air with the M1 chip should continue to perform excellently in 2023. Software compatibility. Ensure that the software is reliably compatible with the M1 architecture. While many applications have been updated to run natively on M1, it's a good idea to check if any crucial software you use still requires emulation through Rosetta 2. Budget. The MacBook Air with the M1 chip offers excellent value, but it's essential to compare its price to other laptops with a similar specification in 2023. There may be newer MacBook models or alternative laptops for different manufacturers that offers competitive features. Future-proofing. Consider how long you plan to keep your laptop. While the M1 chip is powerful and efficient, newer models with improved features and performance may be released in the future. If you want a laptop that will remain relevant for several years, you might want to explore Apple's latest offerings. Specific requirements. If you have specific requirements such as gaming, heavy 3D rendering or specialized software that demands high-end GPU performance, you might need to consider MacBook Pro or other laptop with dedicated graphics. Resale value. Apple products tend to hold their value well, so even if you're decided to upgrade in the future, you can potentially sell your MacBook Air with the M1 chip at a reasonable price. The M1 chip was a powerhouse when it came out, but how does it hold up in 2023? Well, the short answer is pretty damn well. Whether you're working on the spreadsheet, editing photos, or even doing some light video editing, the MacBook Air with the M1 chip can handle it easy. In fact, it's still one of the fastest laptops in the class. Benchmarks consistently shows in powerness. is perfect for everyday tasks. So if you're a student or professional or just someone who needs reliable laptop for work and play, the MacBook Air M1 is still excellent choice. Now, let's talk battery life. The MacBook Air with M1 was already known for its stellar battery performance. Well, in 2023, it's just impressive. You can easily get a full day work done without needing to hunt for a charger. And here's the real kicker. Even with heavy tasks, the M1 chip efficiency means you won't have work to worry about your laptop dying on you. It's lifesaver for you and those always on the move. Okay, what about the software? Well, when the M1 chip first came out, there were concerns about software compatibility. But by the 2023, the most major apps have been updated to run natively on M1, and even if your favorite app isn't optimized yet, Rosetta 2 does a solid job of running Intel-based app without a hitch. So whether you're into Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office or any other productivity suite, you'll find them running smoothly on the MacBook Air M1. Now let's talk about the budget. The MacBook Air M1 still offers excellent value for its performance and build quality, but in 2023 you might want to consider some alternatives. Apple might have introduced new models, and other laptop brands have also upped their game. So it's worth checking out what is available, comparing prices to see if there is a better fit for your needs. But remember, the MacBook Air M1 still holds its own. In conclusion, the Apple MacBook Air with the M1 chip is without a doubt still a fantastic choice in 2023. It offers top-notch performance, exceptional battery life, and a great software compatibility. However, it's still always a good idea to do your research, consider your specific needs, or check out what other options are available on the market. Alright, what do you think? Would you still buy the MacBook Air M1 in 2023? I did. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights from Helgi's Days channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.